The Eralis suite of products extends the functionality of SAP Business One to give small and mid-sized service companies increased visibility and greater control over their costs, profits, and progress. Our job and project management solutions integrate seamlessly with SAP Business One, giving you the power to manage every aspect of your jobs and your business in a single system. Streamline job management from quote to invoice and everything in between with Eralis Job. Keep track of the details on your jobs with a single location to capture all relevant information. Get a complete view across all scheduled and upcoming jobs so you can plan your resources and materials more effectively. Simplify contract invoicing with the ability to track billing phases and milestones against a job. Track the actual cost of your jobs more accurately so you can increase the accuracy of your invoices and improve profitability. Optimize your operations even further with the addition of our optional point solutions that work alongside Eralis Job to meet the specific needs of service companies. Eralis Anywhere allows mobile service teams to access and update job information anywhere they are. Easy access from any device gives your entire team real-time job information, whether they're in the field or at the office. The simplicity of the system makes it easy for staff to enter time as it's worked, giving you more accurate and timely cost data on your jobs. For companies that offer equipment rentals as part of their jobs, Eralis Rent streamlines the rental process and simplifies related invoicing against the job. Easily manage equipment availability and schedule more effectively using an integrated calendar that pulls details directly from your jobs. Invoice your customers more accurately using the intuitive invoicing worksheet that clearly outlines how rates are calculated on your rental equipment. Further reduce manual effort and save time on repetitive processes with the addition of Eralis Automate. Simplify equipment service with easy usage tracking and automated maintenance scheduling. Increase efficiency in your accounting department with automated recurring invoices and bulk invoice creation. Join over 400 Eralis customers worldwide, taking their service companies to the next level with Eralis and SAP Business One.